guys, Katie Art here. So today I am planning to do a straight pour using all metallic colors. I will be using gold, silver, and bronze. And this is a 12 by 12 canvas, so the amount of paint that we'll need is 5 ounces. So typically what I do is I take this cup, mark 5 ounces, and then start pouring the colors till that mark. So as you can see, I am dividing the cup into 2 parts. Basically, I'm dividing it into half and then adding 2 different colors. To see, I'm not sure what kind of pour or what kind of effect I will get in the end, but that's the fun of pour painting, right? So I'm hoping that I will get two different color combination in the same pour. So half of the circle is different color and half of the circle in different colors. But let's see what I will get. So let's begin pouring. I'll let you enjoy the video, and please do comment if you like it, or if you think I should have done something differently. I'll wait for your comments. Thank you very much. Enjoy. So here, let me show you the close-up shot. You can see all the bronzes showing up, and gold is pretty good too. And I like, because I used white in between, so the painting is brighter than if I had used a lot of black. So I think this combination overall worked really well. The only thing I can think of is using a bigger canvas so I can spread these rings even further, because if I'll try to spread it here in this smaller canvas, which is 12 by 12, I think I will lose the center part, which is and all these cells. Let they will fall off the canvas. That's my feeling. But let me know what you think. Again, once again, thanks for watching.